Hi y'all! How was your work week? Our heroes have something like this. Today we look at the most epic, facials and ridiculous antics of workers and try to learn from their mistakes. Let us go! If the goal was to replace the window, then the first item on dismantling is completed. So go and you cannot say, is it team or anti-team work? The most costly effect. Dominoes in the lives of the workers of this construction. So looks the face of the person who is lucky to keep all limbs. This dismantling went slightly out of plan. Pickup owner saved on car wash. Well, at what cost? That very last drop. And preceded this phrase. Yes, we don't need specialist dear, the guys and I can handle this tree ourselves. Typical day at a construction site when the safety instructor didn't go to work. In the column pros in vacancies, for sure outdoor work was listed. Jeff was clearly warned, but he is one of those who approaches the case radically. Laugh, laugh, but I'm almost sure that's something like that, and pick up the battery power tools. The guy that mounted it showed us how to go to the goal, despite the obstacles. Okay. fastest reacting. Utilities in your city. Designer apparently decided that airing mode will be more than enough. It looks like driver today might get off work a little early. A real artist cannot be hidden, even in a snowplow cab. If you also plan to make fun of a colleague, make sure he doesn't have falcon eye accuracy. Car owner lucky. In some airbrushing studio, they ask for this. Fabulous amounts. When the puzzle has a rating of 4+, and you collect it second week. Next time she will be seen already in the museum, in a couple of 1,000 years. Such productive work can be explained only by hourly payment. son of the chief Ern. Who can guess? How many salaries did that fountain cost him? Heh 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 heh. Heh 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 heh. Heh heh heh. Heh 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 heh. So this guy found out. What are measurements? What was that wall holding on? On the hope of those who built it. This guy doesn't know how to use a stepladder. Let's trust him with construction work. That's who definitely won't save you from the machine uprising. Keep the instructions. How not to put glass. Guys found a thin with them, and a rotten slab of all possible. If ever wanted to become a banana picker, look what to be ready for. Reminder at any job, first of all takes care of your health. Yeah. Bro, it's no longer a lever, it's a fishing rod. It's quite difficult to install the stairs yourself. Either they had their electricity cut off, either he definitely put a little together in his resume. Bucket and Rag talk about that they knew in advance what was waiting for them. Masterclass: how to turn a ceiling coating in a second. To the floor. I'm so appreciative for your support and trust, which has consistently fueled my passion for creating engaging content. It's the support of people like you that keeps me motivated to keep the content fresh and captivating. So, thank you once again. I hope you've enjoyed the videos we've shared so far, and I look forward to creating many more for your continued enjoyment. Wishing all of you a fantastic day ahead. May luck be by your side. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Thank you for tuning in. Until we meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.